Hello and welcome to my channel. BMW, a German luxury car and motorcycle manufacturer, is going to launch their first entry-level premium bike in India, BMW G310 R. In this video, I am going to give you top 5 quick facts of BMW G310 R. Number 1. This bike going to launch as a collaboration between BMW and TVS in India. Number 2. G310R gets 313cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with 6-speed transmission. It can produce 33.6 horsepower with 28 Nm of torque. Number 3. This bike can go up to 145 km per hour with a mileage of 30 km per liter. Number 4. G310R comes with 300 mm front disc and 240 mm rear disc, and this bike also features anti-lock braking system as standard safety feature. Number 5. G310R launched in Europe with a price tag just below KTM Q390. If they follow the same scenario, we may expect BMW G310R at under 2 lakh rupees in India. BMW Motorrad has said that BMW will be launched in India in the month of October 2016. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel.